Day 2, Bellringer, punctuation. Um, the new rules it's reminding us of is that you put a comma between the name of a day and the date, and that you also put a comma between the day and the year and a date. Now, my additional note to that is that normally, if you are continuing on with a sentence, you will also put a comma after the year. Okay? However, this sentence gets a little tricky on us. Okay? So, for instance, the example Saturday, comma, May 31, 2008. Okay? But when you go down here, your instructions here are to put in all corrections for this sentence, not just those commas. I saw some problems with this on Bellringers last week. So, other things, I'll give you some hints in here. You have a contraction. You've got to go in and put in the apostrophe. You have that pause for a phrase at the beginning. You obviously got to put in punctuation, but here's where it gets tricky. You remember what I just said about normally when you're continuing on with a sentence, you would put a comma after the year. That is not correct here, however, because just like in what we learned about last week, when you have to put in a semicolon when you're putting together two related thoughts in one sentence. So instead of a comma, I'm going to give you this one. You need a semicolon there because they will get married on this date. Related thought, the reception's going to follow. Okay? So 6 pieces of punctuation to put into this sentence. I gave you one of the 6. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.